it's not really a question, it's a statement.
Yeah.
Steve Roche's involvement worries me, because if you look at Companies House and look at the past directors, Steve Roche was in, out, now he's back in again, and we're now suddenly as a town council looking at possibly taking on that land. Is Arthur Terry no longer a director of Port Marine Management Limited?
Let me answer that. So basically, having waded back through all the legal documents, PMML, the management company, was originally set up, I remember exactly when, maybe 15 years ago, by two lawyers in London. But the way they set it up was that the only way that they call them members, but effectively they're directors of the company, the only way that new members could be appointed is by the original directors appointing them. So it's like a relay system. Okay? So what happened, I think it was about 4 or 5 years ago, when both Nigel Ashton and Stephen Roche were kind of in and out, they basically appointed the directors incorrectly. So legally, so Arthur was actually appointed incorrectly as far as the legal governance goes. So basically, so they had to correct it, so they did it properly. So that was all about.
Can you make a statement? Nobody's done anything illegal.
No one's done anything illegal at all. No. It was just a.
We keep mentioning names like the criminals.
I'm just saying what happened. It was just, all that happened was that the appointment was incorrectly, so it was a technical infringement, if you like. That's all.
Well, I'm not aware Arthur Terry is so unintelligent that he didn't know that. So it's still a lot of questions over this, which Jonathan Mock has raised in these meetings many times. I know it wasn't under your watch, but although Ken is saying, has anybody done anything illegal? We don't know whether they have done anything illegal or not, but we do know they weren't accountable, and that is the crux of the matter.
Yeah, that's fair. Absolutely.